Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the first £2 coin in a series of 3 that are coming out over the next few years. And they're going to be coins that aren't going into circulation. So if you want them, you're going to have to either buy them in Brilliant Uncirculated, Silver Proof or Gold Proof. But for now, let's get into this one. So this one is the 250th anniversary of Captain James Cook's Voyage of Discovery 2018 coin. Now it's a £2 coin like I said and Brilliant Uncirculated. The second one is coming out in 2019 and the third one is coming out in 2020. So all very exciting. But there we go, that's the front and then the back. But obviously at the moment we've got the packaging on, so I'm going to do what I usually do here and open up my packaging, take it out of it, and then show you everything that's going on inside so that you never have to actually open yours up, but you can see exactly what information you do get inside. So there we go, with the packaging off, that is the front. And then that there is the back, which we'll get more into in a bit. But let me just open this up and show you everything that's going on inside. So as usual, what I'm going to do is show you each piece so that you can pause it and have a look. And you can pause it and read it at your own pace. So there we go. As you can see, the packaging at the moment has got 1 coin in it and 2 slots. Now I'm thinking that when you've got all 3 of them, that they can overlap. So you'll be able to slot 1 coin through there and then another one through there. And all the packaging will make up a map of some sort or something, but we'll find out as and when they come out. So there we go. Let's just get in and make sure that I cover each part of this so that you can have a read of it. And we'll come back around to this side now. I'll do this part by here. And then by here. And we'll get around to this piece, which is the front again. But like I said, the part that I'm quite interested to find out about is this. There's a part of a map. Now I've got a feeling that by the end of it, all of it's going to show the entirety of the map. So I think that that's going to be really cool. So without further ado, we'll have a look quickly at the coin specifications and the little bit of information on the back. So just have a read of that there if you wish. And let's check out the coin specifications. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight is 12 grams. Diameter 28.40 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated. The Obverse designer is Jody Clark. And the reverse designer is Gary Breeze. There we go, and a little bit more information there. So let's actually check the coin out. So there we go. That there is the reverse of the coin. And there is so much detail going on there. It's absolutely stunning. I hope that the rest of this series follows on from this and just continues to be stunning coin after stunning coin, because that would be amazing. And like I said, I'm really excited to see exactly how the packaging all fits together. And now if I just bring it around this side here, we can have a look at the obverse of the coin. There we go. Just get that nicely in the light there. So yeah, like I said, I think that that's how it's going to work, but only time will tell. But there we go. That is this coin. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you going to get this coin or have you already got it? I'm just going to put this back there like that for now and work it out in a second. But let me know in the comment section below if you've got this and you're going to collect the entire series, because that always interests me. But please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching!